Hello students. In today's topic we will discuss how to set the decimal places in the number which are repeatedly going into your data. For example, if you're having 10 entries in your column and you have to put a fixed decimal number for them, then there is no need to go to the option decimal and place the decimal cells for a specific cell again and again. You have an option here. You just go to File, go to the options, you just select Advanced. There is an option for you that automatically insert a decimal point. You just select this, you press OK. Whatever entry you write in your number, it will automatically put the decimal after 2 digits. Look, if you press any entry, it will put here as a decimal number. This is an option for each of the entry. You can also put any of the number here. You just go to Options, Advanced. Here is it. You can press 3, 4, whatever drop down you can select from it. So it is a way how to enter a fixed decimal number for your entries. The next topic we will discuss is how to enter dates into your worksheet area. At first look, it may strike you a bit odd to enter dates and times as value in the cells of worksheet area rather than a text. The reason for this is simple. Dates and times entered as values can be used in the formula calculations. If you enter any date and time into the text form, we can't calculate it in our formulas, or we can't use it as a formula. So it's good for a Excel sheet user that he has to put the dates and times in the form of the values. Excel recognizes some of the formats for the time and for the date. Like if you enter here November 6, 2017 and you put it as a date column, just select it. Here are the options for short date and for the long date. Let's select it. You're having so many options for it. Just wait. Where is the date? This one is date. Yes, you're having these formats for the date. These are the knowing formats for your worksheet. For the time, we are having this format accessible for the worksheet. The time. Yes, these are. So these are few are the formats which are used by the worksheet area to represent your data as a number, as a time, and as a date.